पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन कृतितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ददामि भगवद्गीते भवद्देशिनीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपालये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतिर्ना खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तककेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं ज्ञानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथां सम्बोधना बोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता माहात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोर्पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृत् गीताम्बसी स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं। गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैषा शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिश्रुता भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिश्रुतं। गीता गङ्गोद्गतं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्र गीतमेको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव। एको मनस्त्रस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः। देवाय तस्मै नमः।
धन्यवादः भगिनी। इदानीं अस्माभिः
महोदय
महोदय
महोदय एक सूचना एव आरम्भे एतद् अस्माकं ध्यानश्लोकः अपि वक्तव्यम् इति सूचना दातव्यते। पठामि संस्कृतं।
एवं वा?
साक्षात् गीतं प्रविशन्ति। अस्माकं देहे किम् इति सर्वे जानीयुः इति तदुक्त्वा अनन्तरं गीतं
प्रथमं
ध्येयश्लोकाः।
अस्तु। इदानीं वक्तव्यं वा? अहं वदामि।
न इतः परम् अग्रिम सप्ताहे द्वारं कुर्मः
आगामि समयात्। अस्तु,
तावदेव।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु, इदानीम् अस्माभिः यः विधिलिङ्गलकारस्य विषये किञ्चित् ज्ञातं। तत्र विधिलिङ्गलकारस्य अर्थः कः इति सन्देहः अस्ति वा? पृच्छन्तु। एकः विषयः तु विधिलिङ्गलकारस्य अर्थः, तेन किं ज्ञायते, अनन्तरं तस्य रूपाणि कथं भवन्ति। These are the only two topics. So अत्र कोऽपि सन्देहः अस्ति वा? विधिलिङ्गलकारस्य अर्थः, रूपाणि कथं भवन्ति। यः मया एकः सन्देशः प्रेषितः यत्र तत्र प्रत्ययाः दत्ताः सन्ति, परन्तु तत्र उपरि यत् लिखितमस्ति, पुनः एकवारं स्क्रीन् शेर् करोमि। अस्तु, इदानीं पश्यन्तु। Here they are called adantangebhyah. Now what is this ange? Okay, anga means any pratyaya is there, it gets added to something. That something before the pratyaya is called anga. It may be one, it may be two, it may be three entities together. That is called anga. So adanta means ending with just a, not a, e, u, nothing, just a, ending in a. Adanta. So now I draw your attention to this vikarana pratyas. Okay, so this I had circulated the list. So prathama ganasya vikaranam asti a, chaturtha ganasya ya, षष्ठ गणस्य अ, दशम गणस्य अय. This is to be added to the dhatu before you apply the pratyaya. Okay, that is our, I think I will padanirmana prakriya. See here on the right side here, dhatu plus vikaranam plus ting pratyaya. So this is dhatu plus vikaranam, whatever is there, that to that we add the ting pratyaya. Ting is that ti, taha, anti, si, whatever I have sent yesterday, that is called ting pratyaya. So this ting pratyaya gets added to dhatu plus vikaran. So this entity dhatu plus vikaran is called anga. Okay, so once you add this, for prathama gana a, chaturtha gana ya, shashta gana a, and dashama gana aya, but all ending in a only. Okay, whether it is ya or aya, ending the vowel is a. So the anga will become adanta, means ending in a, that's all. And to this you add these pratyayas, 99% you will get all the dhatus correct. Maybe one odd here and there, maybe some special rule and all that. Okay, so now संस्कृते प्रायः उपद्विसहस्रधातवः सन्ति. तेषु Prayaha Ekasahasram, that is almost half of the dhatus are in Prathama Gana. Okay, so the choice is, I mean, the life is very simple. Most of the dhatus will fall into this category. Some odd here and there. Just now in page 94, we saw some dhatus which are slightly okay. Grannati, Badnati, Krinati, Prinati, Chinoti, Apnoti. They are very few that we have to remember. They are not in the Prathama or these four ganas. So we have to remember this one. So now shall we go to the uh, next lesson, or shall we do the exercise as per your choice? If you promise me that you will do the uh, exercises at home and then ask me the doubts, I can go to the next lesson.
Sir, some part of the exercise. Can.
Okay.
Actually, I have doubt on page number 94.
Yeah, okay. I have opened page number 94.
Third one, and then the fourth one. Avam tam. This is ahavad.
I will stop sharing the screen. Okay. Now, 94 page number, which question?
Third question, and within third, the fourth one. This avayava. This is meaning what?
Avayava means to invite. Avahanam. You heard avahanam?
Okay.
Same thing. Avayavaha. Avam means both of us. Tvam to you. Avayavaha. So here you have to just follow the rule. That's all. Nothing. Avayeva.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And one more doubt on the same page. This is kreen dhatu. This is kreen, right? Or how do you say this?
Dhatu is not kreen. It is kri dhatu. Kreenati.
Kuryatam.
No. Which one you are asking?
Page number 94, middle. This kuryatam kuryu.
No.
Dhatu is kreen.
No. Kru dhatu. He has given another crowing. Okay, that yakar is a tag which is to be deleted. Okay, for what we'll not discuss now. But it has become kru, that you are familiar with karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Yeah.
That is that dhatu.
Yes. Okay,
that kru dhatu.
Kru dhatu, but the top it is written kroon, right?
That
to write like
no crewing. That is a tag which is attached to some entities for some other reason. Don't bother about that right now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it is same that karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti, karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha, karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. That dhatu. And atmanepadi, kurute, kurvate, kurvate. Okay, yeah. That so aham karomi, aham snanam karomi. That kru dhatu is here. Okay. Yeah.
And the serial number, question number 4, the top one, page number 95. This dhatu is kreen, right?
No.
Krinati?
The top one, krinati, dhatu is kri. Dirgha kri, that's all. Krinati means to sell.
Okay, so that is...
No. Krinati is to buy.
So that is dirgha ri, and this kri is one ri, I mean small ri.
No. That, see, the dirgha kri itself is the dhatu, kri. And raswa kri I have not come across. Whatever is there on the page number 94, it is not kri, it is kru.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry.
Okay, there is no Rasva E there. Huh?
Okay.
And on the page 95, the top one is Dirgha Kri. Krinati means to buy.
Okay.
And
महोदय
वो लट् लकारस्य रूपाणि एवं क्रीणाति क्रीणितः क्रीणन्ति क्रीणासि क्रीणितः क्रीणीथ क्रीणामि क्रीणीवः क्रीणीमः, like that lat lakara. Here that this one vidiling lakarasya rupani क्रीणीयात् क्रीणीयातां क्रीणीयुः and all that. Yes.
महोदय पेज नंबर 92
92
प्रथम अभ्यासः द फर्स्ट वन
हाँ.
द सेकंड वन कदाचित् मम प्राप्ते पूर्वमेव ते गच्छेयुः. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस?
No, page number
92
yeah.
अभ्यासः द फर्स्ट अभ्यासः सेकंड वन कदाचित् मम प्राप्ते पूर्वमेव ते गच्छेयुः. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस?
Okay, now come to lesson number 1. Okay, upapada vibhakti.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of purvam and param?
Purvam is before, param is after.
Okay, now which vibhakti you will be used? Suppose Arjuna is before Nakula. Okay,
Panchami vibhakti.
so you say that Arjuna is before Nakula, na? So
Nakulat Purvam Arjunah.
Okay, right. Very good. So that means before Nakula is Arjuna. So Nakulasya Panchami Vibhakti. Now you know what is Prapti?
Prapti is to attain.
Attainment or receipt. I mean receiving, the noun form of it. Okay, my receiving you at my home, something like that. Okay, so
Yeah.
I got something. So that Prapti will be like Mati, Matihi, Mati, Matayaha, Mati, Mati, Matihi. Huh?
Okay, okay.
With the Panchami Vibhakti.
Panchami vibhakti.
Huh?
Okay. Praptehe.
Prapte. Okay.
Matihe praptehe, like that.
Praptehe Purvam.
Praptehe Purvam.
Before my attainment, I mean before the attainment or before receiving. And who's before receiving? Mama Praptehe Purvam.
Before I attain.
Before I attain or I reach or whatever it is.
Te gacheyuhu. They have. They may go.
They may go. Yes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now understood, because I mean, see, we are in the some which number is this lesson? 14, and we are forgetting whatever we learned in the first lesson. That is okay. That we have to connect both the two.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anything else? Then we'll go to next lesson. Unless you do the exercises like this, you will not get doubts and you will not learn. So for your this one, it is important that you learn, I mean do the exercises, try to correlate, and if you get doubt, very good. I mean that shows that you are doing the exercises. Now in lesson 16 is the Atmanepadi Dhatavaha. No, before that page number lesson 15 is there. Parasparam Bhavayantaha. Page number 97. Okay. Now what is this Bhavayantaha? Anybody who can tell? What is Parasparam?
Complementary to each other.
Only to each other. That's all. Not complementary. It may not be complementary. Parasparam is to each other.
Okay.
If you start, I mean, if two people they start fighting each other and give abuses, it's parasparam. That is all. I mean, they may not be complementary. They may be having fight. Then bhavayantaha. Okay, now for your convenience, I have opened one page. I will share the screen and show you what is the bhavayantaha means. Okay. Okay. Now let me go to. I just opened the dictionary, nothing else. Okay. In this is the dhatu bhu. You know, everybody bhu. What is bhu? To become and all that. So the causative that to cause to form, that is bhu plus nich. Nich is the gachati gamayati, karoti karayati, that way. So in the bhavayati, 1 minute, I had taken it. See here. So here, to cause, to produce, to support, okay, to foster. I mean, parasparam bhavayati, to support each other. Okay. So that is dhatu, I mean, the bhu plus nich. Bhavati and bhavayati. Bhavati is to become, bhavayati either to cause to become or to support each other. Okay. And then we go to halanta shabdanam vibhakti pratyaya. So that bhavayati is the dhatu. I mean, bhu bhavayati. And then to that you add at pratyaya. So bhavayat means supporting. One who supports is bhavayat. And it will be the prathama vibhakti rupani bhavayan, bhavayantau, bhavayantaha. So, I mean, bahuvachan, people supporting each other. That's all. Okay. Parasparam bhavayantaha. It is a visheshan of some people. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is in a different this one. The people on the earth and the gods in the sky, they are parasparam bhavayantaha. So that is, they support each other. The people on the earth, they do yajna and all that, thereby pleasing the gods in the sky. And the gods in the sky, they shower the earth with the rains at proper time and all that, so that the grains grow, the crops grow properly. So it is I mean, in that I think fourth adhyaya. So that I think third one. So there, parasparam bhavayantaha, supporting each other by some actions. That is the meaning. Okay. Now here, vidiling lakaraha vidyarthe. Yesterday I said vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana, so many things. So one, I said vidhi is the procedure. Do this, do this, do this, like that. The other meaning of vidhi is the order. And yesterday I said either you can use dot lakar or Vidiling lakar. Both are almost the same, right? So here it is a vidyarthe, the I mean, kind of a order, but I mean, it is, yesterday I said, yes, you may go, is an order, request, that kind of thing. Okay. So now who will read the lessons? I mean, we'll go, each person should read at least one sentence, then we'll pass it on to the other. So who will start? Let me see. I will go with this one. Anand, my Paul.
Yes. एतत् दूरवाणी सम्भाषणं
हाँ,
निश्चयेन पठति.
हाँ. You understood the meaning
Varada.
of red color sentence?
Yes, we have to. This is a Duravani Sambhashans. This is discussion in phone.
Okay, now tell me the meaning of patata.
But yeah, you read.
No, I mean, you read okay, but in the grammar, what lakar, which purush, which vachan?
Satamta.
हाँ, उत्तमम, कहाँ लकार रहा?
Lot.
Lot लकार रहा. Huh? See, yesterday I gave that this one na pratyayas. अदंतांगेभ्यः लोट लकारः. Okay. तम ता तम त is लोट लकारः. मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन. That you all. So pathata is you all read. What? Kim pathata? Duravani sambhashanam. And its visheshanam is etad. This telephonic talk you read. And how? Uchchaihi. With loudly. So etad duravani sambhashanam uchchaihi pathata. Now here karta, what is the karta in this sentence? Pathata is kriya padam.
Yuyam.
Yuyam. Very good. Because madhyam purush bahuvachan has to be yuyam. Even if it is not mentioned, yuyam has to be taken as, I mean, by default. Adhyahara. So yuyam, you all. Uchchaihi pathata. Read loudly. Kim etat duravani sambhashanam. Okay. Okay. Next is, who is the next? I think Aruna Bhagini. Can you read?
Varada.
Hmm.
Harihi.
Hmm.
Sharada. Kai. Sharada. Vadatu kaha visheshaha.
Okay, now vadatu. What is the lakar? Dhatu lakar.
Vadatu lot lakar. Pratham purusha ekvachan.
Then who is the karta?
Karta is Sharda.
Not Sharda. I mean, in this it is Bhavati. I mean,
Bhavati. Bhavati vadatu. Yeah.
Sharda is telling Varada. Okay. The Sharda is telling Vadatu. I mean, she is telling Varda to tell. Tell what is special. So vadatu is bhavati vadatu means Varada vadatu kaha vishesha. Okay. Next, who is that? Gayatri Bhagini.
Yes, sir. Varada, Sarvam Kushalam. So everything is okay. Bhavati Kimartam Shyastanam Melanam na agatavati.
Okay.
So why didn't you come yesterday for the meeting?
Wait. Now Sarvam Kushalam. Here, what is the Kriya Padam? There is only Karta.
Kushalam. Sorry, sir. I'm not able to hear you.
Huh?
I'm not able to hear you, sir. What is it?
Kriyapadam kimasti atra? Sarvam kushalam.
Kushalam.
Asti. Okay. It is a by, I mean, you have to put your own words and then make the sentence. The sentence should have one karta, one kriyapadam. That is must. Okay. But there are some occasions where you have to put your own words. That is called adhyahara. So
Okay.
Sarvam Kushalam, by everything okay. I mean, in English also we say, everything okay. We never say everything is okay. Sometimes we drop that is also. So here, Sarvam Kushalam Asti. Bhavati
Yes.
Kimartam Yastanam Melanam Na Agatavati. Now here, what is Agatavati?
Why you didn't come?
No,
Why
no,
you
no.
have not come? Past
Forget
tense.
about the meaning. I am asking what is Agatavati?
It's past tense. Lang laka.
It is not Lang Lakar. Lang Lakar is,
Kriya.
huh?
Kriya it is.
It is not Kriya. It is used in the sense of Kriya, but it is not Kriya Padam. It is a Nama Padam only.
Okay.
It is Ktavatu Pratyaha.
Yes, yes, yes.
And again add Stri Pratyaya because that is she is asking a lady. So
Really.
Agatavati is A upasarga gam dhatu tavatu pratyaya and again stri pratyaya prathama purush ekvachan prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Okay, it is used in the
Yes,
sense
sir.
of lang lakar, but it is not a lang lakar
Lang
form.
laka. Yes.
Okay, used in the sense.
Yes, sir.
Kriya padam is agatavati asit. Why you were not
Okay.
present? Let that. Asit is actually the kriya padam.
Past tense.
Stop here.
Yes, sir.
कुत्र न आगतवती मेलनम
Melanam.
to the meeting.
Yeah.
Yastanam. What is Yastanam?
Yastanam is yesterday.
Not yesterday. Ya is yesterday. What is Yastana?
No, sir.
Till yesterday.
Okay.
Huh? It is yesterdays. Not yesterday. Yesterday is ya. Yastana is
Yesterday.
yesterday's meeting. That apostrophe S. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And
Yes, sir.
Yastana and Melana, they are Visheshan Vishesha Bhava. Yastanam,
Yes,
Melanam,
2.1.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan for both.
Yes, sir.
Kimartham Avyayam.
Yes.
Bhavati, of course, the Karta is the like Nadi. Nadi, Nadyav, Nadyaha. Bhavati, Bhavatyav, Bhavatyaha. So,
Pratama.
when you read, you understand the sense of the sentence, no problem, very good. Okay. But I want
Yes, sir.
people to dig deep into each word. Okay. And then make the sentence
Yes, sir.
whether it makes sense or not. Okay. So, Bhavati Kimartham
Okay, sir.
Yastanam Melanam Na Agatavati. Now you join everything and say, why did you not come for yesterday's meeting? Okay. Right.
Yes.
Who is next? Jayalakshmi Bhagini.
सर नमस्ते
Namaste.
शारदा क्षम्यतां मया अन्यत्र गन्तव्यम् आपतितम् अतः इव न आगतवती मेलने के निर्णयाः कृताः.
Okay. Now there are so many sentences and words here. I will explain everything. Now Kshamyatam is we will learn in maybe in Karmani Prayoga or this one is right now take it for granted is a sorry. Okay. How that word is formed because we have not yet learned Karmani Prayoga, we will not take it up.
But that full sentence is given in Karmani Prayoga only, no?
Yeah. No. Not only
all.
two sentences. Okay. Maya anyatra gantavyam apatitam. I had to go somewhere else. Okay. Since it is in Karmani, we will not go into deep. Ataha na agatavati. Na agatavati, that sandhi is there, so na agatavati. And
आगतवती.
what is the karta?
Sharda means sa.
No.
Shar.
In the sentence, forget about the actual meeting. In the sentence, what is the karta? Aham.
Pradam
Aham no agatavati. That's why I did
Maya
not
it is given. Okay. Okay.
मेलने के निर्णयः कृतः. Again this is karmani but easy. In the meeting,
Okay.
मेलने सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन
Okay.
and के what are के?
Who all came? Ke bahuvach
बहुवचन.
pradama
No,
bahuvachana.
कहा कौ के, but who, not who, what are the decisions taken. Nirnaya is a pullingi shabda.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Nirnayaha bahuvachana.
kritaha, made. What are the decisions made yesterday?
Okay.
Right. Next is, who is next? Krishna Kumar Mahodaya. Patati va? Krishna Kumar Mahodaya. Shuruyate va? Praya Saha na shrunoti. Next is Mahalakshmi Bhagini.
भरदा
हाँ.
प्रायः सर्वाणि कार्याणि चिन्तितानि उत्थायित्वानि अपि निश्चितानि.
Very good. What is prayaha?
Prayaha is morning.
No, that is prataha. Prataha is morning. Prayaha is mostly.
Oh, mostly.
Mostly. Prayaha means mostly. Or bahushaha, that is another word for prayaha. Sarvani karyani chintitani. All the jobs were thought. Chintitani. And chintitani, chinta dhatu, kta pratyaya. Okay. It is used in the langlakar, but not, it is a visheshan of karyani.
Okay.
Again, napusakalingi, prathama vibhakti bahuvachan. Karyani chintitani, the jobs were thought.
Okay.
All the jobs were thought. Almost all the jobs were thought. They were decided, basically. Uttardaitvani means responsibility. Uttardaitvam is responsibility, jimmedari, and bahuvachan, jimmedariya, the responsibilities, api nishchitani were also decided. Pinpointed that he will do this, that will do that.
Sir, some explanation on Chintitani. Last ni comes how?
Kim?
Chintitani.
Okay.
Praya sarvani karman karyani chintitani. That chintitani word, how is it developed?
Yes. Okay. I will tell you. Chint dhatu plus kta pratyaya. What will happen? Chintita.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if it is a man, it is chintitaha. If it is a lady, it is chintita. If it is a object, chintitam. Okay.
Yes.
So karyam is napusakalingi shabda, no? So chintitam. So karyam,
Okay.
karyani, chintitam, chintite, chintitani. That's all.
Okay. Got it.
Right?
Got it. Thank you.
Same thing, nischitani. Uttardaitvam, uttardaitve, uttardaitvani, nischitam, nischite, nischitani. Very simple. Okay. Who is that?
That is all because sarvam. Sarvam, because of sarvam, all of them are in multiple napusingli.
Not sarvam, it is sarvani.
Sarvani, correct.
So, because of that, all are napusakalingi.
Sarvani, sarvam, sarve, sarvani, no?
Sarvam, sarve, sarvani, napusakalingi shabda.
Okay, because of that napusalinga, rest all have become napusalinga.
Yes, correct.
Okay, thanks.
If that sarva is for pullingi shabda, then what will be the form?
किञ्चितः उत्तरदायित्वः निश्चितः
नहीं, that is okay, but सर्व शब्दस्य पुल्लिङ्गी बहुवचनं किं भवति?
सर्वैः
Huh?
सर्वैः
Survey, that's all, nothing. Okay.
सर्वे
Survey. Just 1 minute. At the end, when I say sarve bhavantu sukhinah, that's survey, not sarvehe. Okay. Next is Meda Bhagini. Patati va? Meda Bhagini श्रूयते वा?
Yes, आम महोदय.
हाँ, पठतु.
शारदा भगिनी कस्यै किम् उत्तरदायित्वं दत्तम्?
Uttamam. Now Bhagini, what is this?
Bhagini. This is she is saying to Varda Bhagini.
No, वो छोड़ो. भगिनी का मतलब क्या है? प्रातिपदिक क्या है? विभक्ति क्या है? वचन क्या है?
भगिनी.
हाँ.
भगिनी हरि ही जैसा भगिनी है. प्रथमा एक वचन.
नहीं, प्रथमा एक वचन नहीं है. संबोधन प्रथमा है. Not pure, not normal प्रथमा. It is संबोधन प्रथमा. हे भगिनी. और प्रातिपदिकम होगा भगिनी, दीर्घ ई.
कैपिटल ई. हाँ. कैपिटल
ई. हाँ. बट संबोधन में ह्रस्व हो जाता है. हे भगिनी.
ओके.
उसको मतलब बुला रही है बहन. कस्यै किम उत्तरदायित्वं दत्तम. नाउ कस्यै, व्हाट इज कस्यै?
कस्यै विभक्ति. कस्यै
चतुर्थी एकवचन.
किम?
चतुर्थी एकवचन.
चतुर्थी एकवचन. लिंगम?
स्त्रीलिंगम.
स्त्रीलिंगम. ओके. एंड प्रातिपदिकम किम? किम प्रातिपदिकस्य चतुर्थी एकवचन. कस्यै, किस भगिनी को. मतलब अब स्त्रीलिंग है तो किस भगिनी को, क्या किस महिला को. किम उत्तरदायित्वं दत्तम. नाउ दत्तम इज दा धातु त प्रत्यय दत्त एंड उत्तरदायित्व इज अगेन नपुंसकलिंगी शब्द. सो दत्तम. ऊपर में लिखा है उत्तरदायित्वानि निश्चितानि. सो एक भगिनी को, एक महिला को एक ही जिम्मेदारी दी जाएगी. तो इसीलिए किसको क्या जिम्मेदारी दी. एंड सिंस इट इज दत्तम, दत्तम इज दान धातु, जिसको मिलता है उसकी चतुर्थी विभक्ति. सो कस्यै, कस्यै किम उत्तरदायित्वं दत्तम. किसको क्या जिम्मेदारी, किस महिला को क्या जिम्मेदारी दी है ना. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज
महोदय मया न पठितम्.
You were mute some time back.
No, actually network was down. So.
Oh, network was down. Huh? Oh, very good. You are come back. Come.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I read?
Yeah. No problem.
वरदा. सभाकार्यं नलिनी पश्येत्. तस्याः सहायार्थं तिस्रः भवेयुः. अतिथीनां व्यवस्थां रेवती निर्वहेत्. गंगा तस्याः सहायं कुर्यात्. लतिका शुभा च पानजलं वितरेताम्. कार्यक्रम संचालनं लक्ष्मीः कुर्यात्.
Very good. I mean, it was a very, it is a very long paragraph. Now we will go step by step. Nalini Pashyet. So Drush Dhatu, Vidiling Lakar. Now here we are starting the real Vidiling Lakar. So far there was nothing. So Pashyet, Pashyet, Pashyetam, Pashyeyuh. Drush Dhatu, Vidiling Lakar, Prathama Purush, Ekvachan. Nalini Pashyet, Nalini देखेगी, Nalini may see or we shall see. What? Sabhakaryam, the arrangement in the hall. This one. Tasyaha sahayartham, for her help. Sahayartham, her is tasyaha, Shashti Vibhakti. Tisraha. Tisraha, anybody can tell what is this?
Three people.
Huh?
Three ladies.
Not
It's a
three
three.
people, three ladies.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is Purushaha, then it is Trayaha.
Trayaha.
It is ladies, Tisraha. And if it is neutral object, then Trini.
Three.
Okay, Trini. But since it is ladies, because this is a ladies club, so Tisraha, three ladies. Bhaveyuhu. Again, Bhu Dhatu, Vidiling Lakar, Prathama Purush, Bahuvachan. Three ladies should be there or may be there. For what? For her help. Then Atithinam Vyavastham. Atithinam. Atithi is guest. Atithinam Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. And Pratipatikam will be Atithi with Raswa Thi. But when it is become to Shashti Vibhakti, it is Dirgha. Atithinam. Of the guests. Vyavastham, the management. Revati Nirvahet. Now Nirvahet, Uha Dhatu with Nir Upasarga, it is just she will hold the responsibility, that's all. Or carry. Who? Revati. Revati will carry out the duty of looking after the guests, that is the thing. अतिथि की व्यवस्था रेवती देखेगी या निभाएगी. निर्वहित निभाएगी. गंगा तस्याः सहायम कुर्यात. Ganga kuryat. Ganga should do or may do what? Tasyaha sahayam, her help. So Ganga will help Revati. Latika Shubha cha. Latika and Shubha. Panajalam vitaretam. Again, Dvivachan, Pratham Purush, Dvivachan, vitaretam. They will distribute. Vitaranam kuryat, kurutam. Vitaretam is vitaranam kurutam. Distribute. They will distribute the drinks. Panajalam is the drinks. Karyakrama sanchalanam, the what you say, comparing or the overall decision who will do what. Lakshmi kuryat. Lakshmi will make or she will do this management of the. Now look at the word Lakshmi. There is a difference between other Dirgha Ikaranta Shabdas like Nadi, Parvati, Kunti, and Lakshmi. Lakshmi, Pratama Ekvachan will always have a Visarga. Without, I don't know whether our Jayalakshmi makes it that, but in Sanskrit language, Lakshmi word, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan will be Lakshmi. Okay, not Lakshmi. So Lakshmi Kuryat. Okay, next is Narayan Mahodaya. Bhavan Patadeva. I think again he's not able to read. Then Prakash Mahodaya.
Yes.
Patadu.
Sharda. भगिनी वैयक्तिक गीतं का गायेत्?
हाँ
भगिनी इदानीं वयं सम्बोधनं कृत्वा
हाँ करेक्ट. वैयक्तिक गीतम is individual song. का गायेत, again का is काके काहा, who, which lady. गायेत, so धातु is गई and गायेत गायेताम गायेयुः. So who, which lady should sing the individual song? I don't know. I mean, that is there, this one. So Varda says, Gayatri Vayaktika Geetam Gayet. Gayatri should sing the individual song. Vijaya, no, Prakash Mohoday after Revati Bhagini asti. Revati Bhagini bhavati patati va?
महोदय
Patadu?
वरदा गायत्री वैयक्तिकगीतं गायेत् विजया स्वागतं विदिता धन्यवादं च व्याहरेताम्.
Vyaharetam, okay. Vyaharetam is to propose the at the end when we say na dhanyavadam, so vote of thanks. So dhanyavadam cha vyaharet. Ru dhatu v plus a upasarga vya, v a and ru dhatu ru harati. So haret haretam hareyuhu, vyaharet vyaharetam vyahareyuhu. So they will propose. Who? Vijaya will propose the welcome. I mean, she will deliver the welcome speech, Swagatam Bhashanam. And Vijaya will do the welcome speech, and Vidita will do the vote of thanks. Dhanyavadam Vyaharetam. Vijita Swagatam Vyaharet, and Vidita, Vijaya Swagatam Vyaharet, Vidita Dhanyavadam Vyaharet. So together Vyaharetam. Okay. Then next is Sukumar Shraddha Bhagini. Shraddha Bhagini.
One question, Mahoday.
Pucha
This Vijaya Swagatam Vyaharet. So Vyaharet is at the end, right? So Swagatam will be at the beginning.
No. That is only the Kriya Padam. Swagatam Vyaharet is to deliver a welcome speech.
Okay, so Vyaharet is to conduct or deliver.
I mean to speak on the stage and give some message. So these two, the welcome speech and the vote of thanks, both are used with the Kriya Padam Vyaharati. Okay. And the person who delivers that, he will say Aham Swagatam Vyaharami. Athava Aham Dhanyavadam Vyaharami. Okay, like that.
Astu.
हाँ, श्रद्धा भगिनी भवती पठतु.
शारदा वरदे अहम किम कुर्याम.
वरदे, what is वरदे?
संबोधनम.
प्रातिपदिकम वरदा. वरदे, हे वरदे, अहम किम कुर्याम. So very simple. कुर्याम.
Very simple.
क्रू धातु, विधिलिंग लकार, उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन. मैं क्या करूं? What should I do? Next is Sukumaran Mahodaya. Bhavan अस्ति वा अद्य उत्तमम्? सुकुमारन महोदय प्रायः तस्य सम्पर्कः नास्ति. ज्योति भगिनी.
वरदा भवती प्रचारकार्यं कुर्यात्. सर्वेभ्यः पत्रं लिखेत्. सर्वान् अपि आहूयेत्. पत्रिकाभ्यः वार्ताम् अपि दद्यात्. यतः कार्यक्रमः भविष्यति इति सर्वेपि जानीयुः किल.
Uttam, very good. I mean, okay.
भवति
No, wait. Bhavati kuryat. You will do, okay? Or you shall do, or you may do. That is order. Kim kuryat? Prachara karyam, the publicity. Sarvebhya patram likhet. Again, that bhavati is common factor to everything. Bhavati patram likhet. You will write letter to whom? Sarvebhya, to all the people. Sarvanapi avayet. Avayet is a plus ve dhatu is to invite. So bhavati avayet. You will invite. To whom? Sarvan api. You will invite everybody. Sarvan. Patrikabhyaha vartamapi dadyat. Dadyat is ta dhatu. That in the earlier chapter we have seen dadyat, dadyatam, dadyuhu, like that. So dadyat is will give, or within Englakar ta dhatu, dadyat will give, or you may give. Kim dadyat? Vartam api dadyat. News also you will give. And to who? Patrikabhyaha. So since it is da dhatu, it is chaturthi vibhakti and bahuvachan. Patrika is the magazines or maybe media. Okay. I mean the newspapers basically. So you will give news to the newspapers also. Yataha means because. Karyakramah bhavishyati iti sarvepi janiyuhu kila. Now she is giving news to the newspapers beforehand. I mean, if the program is happening tomorrow morning itself, the newspaper should carry the news so that everybody will come to know that, oh, today some program is there, we should go. So like that. Yataham is because Karyakramah bhavishyati iti. The program will happen like this. Sarve api janiyuhu kil. Everybody should know, na? So that kil is like no. I mean, everybody should know, na? That na is kil. Okay. Or khalu. These are avyayas but used in the sense to emphasize something more. सबको जानना है ना कि आज कुछ कार्यक्रम हो रहा है तो जानेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज ज्योति भगिनी.
हाँ महोदय. शारदा. अन्यत् किं किं कुर्याम.
अन्य किं कुर्याम. कर्ता इज अहम. अहम किं कुर्याम. अन्यत् is the karma and aham is the karta. What else should I do? Okay. मैं और क्या क्या करूं. कुर्याम. Next is संदेश महोदय.
वरदा. कार्यक्रम विवरणपत्रं सिद्धं कुर्यात्. तत्र दोषाः न स्युः. कार्यक्रम विवरणपत्रं
सिद्धं कुर्यात्. What is the karta?
त्वं. Bhavati.
Not tvam. If it is tvam, what should be the form?
One second.
It is kuryaha.
Kuryaha.
Okay. Since it is bhavati, it is a pratham purush. If it is tvam, it is madhyam purush. But we will stick to the whatever is given. Bhavati siddham kuryat. You will make ready what? Karyakrama vivarana patram. That is the itinerary. Okay. What will happen when that list of events that you will make ready. Tatra doshaha na syuhu. Doshaha na syuhu. Doshaha is the karta. Syuhu is the kriya padam. As dhatu and
लोट लकार
Vidiling lakar.
विधिलिंग लकार
Prathama purush bahuvachan. Doshaha na syuhu. There should not be any mistakes. In that this one. Okay, now I will read the further. Astu tathaiva karishyami. So Sharda says astu. Astu is what? Can somebody guess what is astu?
Okay.
No. That I don't ask the meaning. I'm asking the grammar.
लोट लकार अस्धातु
लोट लकार
And purush vachan.
प्रथमा एकवचन
Huh?
प्रथमा एकवचन
Not prathama. Prathama purush.
प्रथमा पुरुष
Prathama purush.
वचन
So means now since it is lot lakar and as dhatu, what should be the meaning?
Let it be.
Let it be. And in short, okay. Right? Tathaiva karishyami. So again, karishyami, kru dhatu, lut lakar, that bhavishyat kal, uttama purush ekvachan. And tathaiva, tatha eva, like that only. Both are avyayas, tatha eva, karishyami. I will do like that only. मैं ऐसे वैसे ही करूंगी. पुनः भवती गीतामपि सूचयेत्. भवती सूचयेत्. आप सूचना दीजिए या you may inform. To whom? Geetam. Gita is another lady, not Bhagavad Gita. So you may inform Gita also that such a program is there. Please come and help, something like that. Yataha prarthanam sa gayet. Sa gayet. She may sing or she should sing. What? Prarthana. That invocation song she should sing. Yataha means because sa yaha na gata asit. Yesterday she was not there. Na agata. A, gam and ta pratyaya with strilinga prathama vibhakti ekvachan agata. Na agata asit. Then Sharda says bhavatu. Again this like astu bhavatu. Let it be. Avashyam suchayami. I will definitely inform. Varda says bhavati samaye eva agachet. Agachet, again a upasarga gam dhatu vidiling lakar prathama purush ekvachan agachet. Come, you should come in time. Samaye. Vayam sarvaha api militva कार्यक्रमम सम्यक कुर्याम. Vayam kuryam. We shall do.
The class are not number.
It is actually Kuryama, right? Kuryama, Vayam Kuryama.
Vayam kuryama, we shall all do. Okay, kuryam, kuryava, kuryama, vayam kuryama, and aham kuryam. See? Before sentence is anyat kim kim kuryam. Mute yourself.
Until no candle, no kind of.
Please mute yourself. Yeah. So kuryam and kuryama. So when it is half ma, kuryam, it is ekvachanam, uttam purush. Kuryama, full ma is bahuvachan. Vayam kuryama. Vayam sarvaha api. Again sarvaha is strilinga. sarva, sarve, sarvaha. We all the ladies put together. Militva, mil dhatu and ktva pratyaya, militva, after joining together. Karyakramam samyak kuryam. We will make the program properly. Samyak. शारदा से निश्चयेन. निश्चय शब्द तृतीय विभक्ति एक वचन. Definitely. धन्यवादः. So this is the lesson, and whatever we have is given after this. Already yesterday I had talked about this. विधिलिङ्गकारस्य संभावना इव विधिः आज्ञा इत्यर्थेऽपि प्रयोगः भवति. Yesterday I told you what are the different meanings in which Vidiling Lakar is used. So he has given all that. So Bhavan Shvaha Samaye Prapnuyat. Sarve api Grihapathan Avashyam Likheyuhu. Now I am saying from my side, Sarve Pathan Avashyam Patheyuhu. गृहपाठान अथवा गृह कार्याणि अवश्यम कुर्युः. That is my advice. छात्रः अध्यापकान् न उपहसेत्. उपहसेत् is to make joke. सेवकः कार्यं कुर्युः. भवती अद्य एव दूरवाणीं कुर्यात्. वयं कार्यक्रमं सम्यक् कुर्याम. So like this, these are the विधिलिङ् लकारस्य उपयोगाः. Now page number 98.
Sir, one doubt. This chapter sentence and the earlier chapter sentence, the difference is only this chapter it is order, right? And the earlier chapter it was like you may do, like that.
No. I mean, this is a soft order. It is not military order. Suppose somebody falls sick and can't come for whatever the reason. Are they going to punish her or those ladies? No.
Okay.
At the most, they will say bad things. That's all. So that is this one. In Vidiling Lakar, it is order, but it is soft order. You may please do this. That's all.
Yeah. So the chapter wise, chapter 14 and chapter 15, both are building. One is Sambhavana, means there is a question
possibility.
Of may.
Possibility.
Possibility.
Possibility. Sambhavana is possibility.
Yeah, and chapter 15 is soft order. Chapter 15 is like a soft order, like.
15 is soft order. 14 is a possibility, in the sense like it may rain today. Adya varsha bhavet. Okay, that kind of thing.
Yeah, and then this initially we talked about this Bhavayanta. So where is this Bhavayanta coming in this chapter?
Which one?
The Bhavayanta we talked about initially, right?
No, I'm not able to listen your words. Bhave?
Bhavayanta. Title of the chapter is Parasparam Bhavayanta.
See,
so where this Bhavayanta is coming?
Bhavayanta, I told in the beginning that support each other. So all these ladies put together, they will support each other and perform the program.
Okay. But that nothing to do with Vidiling.
Nothing to do with Vidiling Lakar, yes.
Sir, this Vidyartha meaning is soft order, is it?
It depends upon the context. Either you can use Lot Lakar or you can use Vidiling Lakar. As far as grammar is concerned, both are, in the words of geometric, congruent. equal in all respects, but it depends upon the, I mean, actually, all these things are performed on the stage now. Basically, what is the use of language? Is talking to each other, okay, or conveying your thoughts by some means. So there it depends upon the tone of the person, and in the writing it may be depend upon the context in which the whole thing is said. Okay, but as far as grammar is concerned, both lot lakar and vidilning lakar are same, no change. But in this,
My question is,
yeah,
I can understand what is the meaning of Sambhavanarthe, but what is the meaning of Vidyarthe?
Vidyartha is an order, procedure. Do this,
okay.
then do this, then do this, then do this, like that.
So it comes from Vidhi.
Vidhi, yes.
Vidhi is the way of doing it.
Vidhi is a procedure.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Now the next is, of course, I mean, I will not go to that lesson 16. I'll just tell what it is. Okay. Here he has given lang lakar also of atmanepadi dhatus. Now, as I said, since I have given this pratyayas, now let me share the screen again. So here all these are there: lat lakar, lot lakar, lang lakar, vidiling lakar. There is hardly anything. Only thing is, before lang lakar, I mean, before the dhatu, that a will always come. Okay. Apathat, apathatam, apathan, and this half sa, Mahalakshmi Bhagini asked in the beginning, before the class started, what is this half sa? The half sa becomes visarga in the process, that vidhi. So apathaha, apatatam, apatata, apatam, apathav, apatham. Okay, like that. This is lang lakar. And atmanepadi, avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandethaha, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadhvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. This is the lang lakar, and once you get the grasp of how to form the, how to construct the forms, rest is all very simple. Okay. And don't go into the how these pratyayas have been derived and all that. Don't go into that. Just using these pratyayas, how to form the different words ending in different. That is more than sufficient. And then if that word is there before you in the book, you will be able to identify what is the dhatu, what is the purusha, what is the vachan, and all that. You'll be able to understand the meaning itself by yourself. No need of reading the commentary by anybody. Okay. So, we have finished very fast today. I didn't expect this. So now the forum is open to ask any questions, no problem.
Sir, page 96, the last one, the Sukti, meaning of that?
96 page number, yes.
The Sukti, on the end of the page, Kanasa.
Oh, Sukti. Okay, very good. Kshanashaha kanashaschaiva vidyam artham cha sadhayet. Now what is sadh? Okay. Sadha is to gather or to perform. Different meanings are there. Here you take as to gather. So sadayet, again vidiling lakar, prathama purush, ekvajam. One should gather. Okay. I mean, the karta is not there, so we say one. I mean, somebody, anybody should gather what? Vidyam and artham. Okay. Vidyam sadayet and artham sadayet. Vidyam means the knowledge you should gather, and artham means dhanam. Dhanam cha sadayet. You should gather the wealth. How? Kshanashaha, kanashaha cha. Kshanashaha is, kshana is time, unit of time, smallest time, like second or millisecond, something like that is kshana. Kshanashaha means every kshana we should try to gather vidya. Kshanashaha vidyam sadayet. We should gather the knowledge at every time, every moment. And kanasha is a particle. I mean, small. When you earn money, bit by bit, one paisa, like that, you gather. I mean, you should collect your this one, vidya and artha, that is dhanam, at every moment and every small piece. Keep on gathering, then only your wealth will grow. Otherwise, you won't take any time to fritter it away. So keep on gathering the wealth. That is all. Kshanashaha means at every moment. Kanashaha means by every particle or very small piece. Gather the wealth. Okay. And all other earlier lessons we have understood properly.
Sir, I had not yet completed the last chapter exercises. I didn't get completely attention over there. So afterwards, I will ask, sir.
Okay, no
Not
problem.
today.
जब आपको समय मिले तब करिएगा.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, let me ask you one doubt.
Pruchhadu.
Not from the textbook or not from the lesson. It is outside the topic.
If I know,
Last
I
week
will. No.
okay, you have shared one video of Vyoma Labs last week.
I
have seen it, but Dr. Soumya was saying some about some book, Shabda Rupa Samgraha.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. What is that actually inside exercises?
I have not seen the book, but what I understand is the Shabda Rupa Sangraha, like Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, then Harihi, Hari, Harayaha, Harim, Hari, Harim. Like that.
It's a practice book.
They are the very simple thing, but the book contains many more words which we don't know.
Oh.
Okay.
So is it useful for us? So we can buy it.
It will be useful, definitely useful. Okay. I have not seen the book as yet. I mean, I don't need to also, because for us that ashtadhyayi.com website is enough. That is more than sufficient for us.
Yes, I saw that also.
Correct.
I just had a doubt.
But
That's why.
if you are traveling and you don't have access to internet, then a book will always be helpful.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
You showed us some rule of Amantran, Nimantran, where to use Vidilinga. Can you just show me how to go to that menu in Ashtadhyayi again?
Oh, sure. No problem. Okay, I'll share the screen and then stop. Okay. Okay. Now I will open the ashtadhyayi.com. So here, I mean, in the beginning, 1 minute, I will open my browser and then, okay, this is a browser. Okay, I just type here ashtadhyayi.com and it will go to the home page.
Yes.
Okay. Now here at the bottom there are two, this one, Sutra Patha, Dhatu Patha. Okay. So click on Sutra Patha, that is the rules.
Okay.
And this by number, this I'll not, right now I'll not go into detail. Just if you know the rule, you type here. Okay. So the first word of that rule is Vidhi. In the right hand box, oh sorry, I have to change to Sanskrit. So in the right, that top box, this is a search. You put Vidhi. So there are so many. And our this one is Vidhi Nimantrana Mantrana. So here you click, it'll give the this one. And the whatever given below this is too much. I mean, I don't expect you people to run, go through all that and understand. It is beyond scope. If you can, very good, no problem.
No, that's fine. Thank you, sir.
No problem. And there are about 4,000 rules for Sanskrit grammar. I don't expect you people to go through all that or another. If somebody is interested, he can go this way. Okay.
Sir, and even in that video, they said there is some paper where flowchart is there for these rules. So that is also available here. Just for curiosity, how it looks. Maybe I may not understand it, but what are those flowcharts? They said.
I will go to Dhatu Patha. Okay. See Dhatu Patha. Now you say first Dhatu is Bhu. Click on this and you will get all this form. Now Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti. Now from where for Bhu, how it changes to Bhavati. So click on this. On the right side you will get from Bhu, and these are the steps through which one has to go through, ultimately arrive at Bhavati at the bottom. Okay. And these rules are like, this is the factory where this word is fabricated for you, manufactured. So our aim is to finally use the word Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti, that's all. You take any other word, let us say Bhavishyati, or you take Bhavishyamaha. Okay. Now starting with Bhu, so many steps are there. This is like the factory, assembly line. Keep on adding something else, something else, something else. At the end, you'll get Bhavishyamaha. So like that. And the thing is, these, okay, I'll open this. Now here, what you say is 1.3.1 or 3.4.77. These are the rule numbers that is given in that Sutra Patha. Okay. So here on the right side, whatever you listen in numbers, they are the rules. Of the 4,000 rules, everything is not applicable. Some rules may be applicable. So only to take those rules, follow the step-by-step procedure, and you will get the word finally. But not for you people.
Yeah, okay, sir. Just curiosity.
No problem. If you are, I mean, if you happen to go into that field, no, I mean, I have no objection at all. But for this course, it is out of bounds. I mean, out of syllabus rather, not bounds. It is not out of bounds. Nothing is out of bounds for anybody, but not in the syllabus. I mean, I don't expect you people to learn that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, now yesterday Shraddha Bhagini and Medha Bhagini, they had asked this one shloka, Tritiya Adhyayasya, Unatrinshаттama shlokaha. Okay, so I have given some more explanation here. Okay, I'll again share the screen because I thought it is relevant to today's topic. Okay. Now, the shloka is like this, and the second line only I have taken. Tan, and I have broken the sandhis here. Tan akrusnavidaha mandan krusnavid na vichalayet. So this na vichalayet is our vidiling lakar. That is why I did all this. And how these words are formed. Tan, everybody knows. Saha taute tam tau tan. Mandan, mandaha mandau mandaha mandam mandau mandan. And mandabuddhi. So dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan for all. How this Kritsnavid and Akritsnavidaha, they are formed is like Kritsna means Sampurna, whole, entire, whatever we saw yesterday. So Kritsnam means Sampurnam, Vetti means Janati, Kritsnam Vetti is Kritsnavid, or Sampurnam Janati is Kritsnavid. And Yaha Sampurnam na Janati, sa Akritsnavid. Very simple. I mean, that A is negation. Okay. Sampurnam, Asampurnam, like that. And this, see, this is Dakar at the end. Okay. So, yesterday I made one mistake. I said Shatru. It is not Shatru Pratyaya. It is actually some other Pratyaya called Quip. But the Dhatu is with. So, Krutsam with and some Quip. So, Krutsnavid. And na Krutnavid, Akrutnavid. So now this is Halanta Shabda. So now we open the 1 minute. Yeah. We open the Halanta Shabdanam Vibhakti Pratyaya. Simple. Nothing. Au aha. So Akrutnavid, Akrutnavidau, Akrutnavidaha, Akrutnavidam, Akrutnavidau, Akrutnavidaha. So this Akrutnavidaha is both Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. Bahuvachan. Right? So, Akrusnavid, when you apply table number 1, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan will be Akrusnavidaha. So, Tan, Mandan, Akrusnavidaha. To those, I mean, slow in understanding. Manda is slow in Manda Buddhi. अकृष्णविदः जो सब नहीं जानते हैं उनको सबको, then Krishnavid, and again this Krishnavid again your Prathama Vibhakti, Ekvachan, no Pratyaya. So this Karta. Okay. Krishnavid, one who knows everything, Sa Krishnavid. Na vichalayet. No, this is vichalayet, this is your vidiling lakar. So how is this formed? Chala, chalana or chalati is chalana in Hindi, to move. And vichalati is to shake, deviate. Okay. Vichalit hona, basically. And to that you add nich pratyay. If one gets disturbed, saha vichalati. But I am making somebody else to, I mean, disturb. So, vichalayati. Okay. Vichalayati is I am disturbing somebody. So, vichalayami. So, vichalayati is vichalit karna kisi ko. To cause to deviate somebody else. And then this vichalaya dhatu, since it is a, original dhatu is chala, so it is first prathama ganasya dhatu. So vikarana is a, So vichalaya plus a plus ita. So this vichalaya plus a will become vichalaya full. Then ita, then like gana plus isha ganesha, vichalayet. So one should, and krutstavit na vichalayet. The one who knows everything should not perturb others who know little bit, not full, by telling some hi-fi theories. And then, oh, you fellows, you don't know even this much and all that. No, not that. Okay, that is the thing. So since this, yesterday we discussed this shloka, I forgot to say that this vichalayet happens to be vidiling lakar. Okay, prathama purush ekvachan. And karta is krutznavid. Krutznavid na vichalayet. Kan na vichalayet akrutznavidaha. And kidrusha akrutznavidaha mandan. And tan unko. Right? So this I thought I'll share. I typed it already. And now you are free to ask anything. Still we have got 25 minutes.
Sir, ahvayet dhatu. What's the dhatu, sir? Ahvayet.
Ve dhatu. Okay, ve is dhatu. A is upasarga. Means the meaning is to call or invite. You heard the word
okay, sir.
Avahanam is invitation.
Yeah.
So avayat is invite or to call.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. In this open Gita Pustakam, I will third chapter, shloka number 26. न बुद्धि भेदम जनयेत अज्ञानाम कर्म संगिनाम जोशयेत सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान युक्त समाचरण. That is one. And even before that is in shloka number 23rd. Yadi hayam na varteyam jatu karmanya. That I think is slightly more involved. But one more. Anybody remember the shloka and chapter of Uddharet Atmana Atmanam? I'm trying to get
Adhyaya 6.5.
6, huh? And shloka number? Adhyaya 6, shloka number 5. Uddharet Atmana Atmanam Natmanam Avasadet Atmaiva Yatmana Bandhu. So what is this? Uddharet, I mean the sandhi is there. Uddharet Atmana Atmanam. So Uddharet is Ud dhatu and this one. Okay. Ud and Ru dhatu. Ud haret. It becomes Uddharet. Uddharet is to lift up. Atmana Atmanam. Now both are our, we have done this. Atmana Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Atman Shabdasya. Atmanam Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Atmana Atmanam. स्वयं ही स्वयं को उद्धरेत, ऊपर उठाइए. न आत्मानम अवसादयेत. अवधातु सिद्ध this one and again निजंत अस्ति. So अपने को ही अपने आप नीचे मत ढकेलिए. दैट इज अवसादयेत. एंड आत्मा एव आत्मनो बंधु. आत्मा प्रथमा विभक्ति एक वचन. आत्मा एव हम ही, खुद, सेल्फ. आत्मनः बंधुः अगेन षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचन. आत्मनः बंधुः, बंधु प्रथमा विभक्ति एक वचन. सो आत्मा एव आत्मनः बंधुः, लाइक सेल्फ is a brother of self. That is, you yourself are your own help. And Atma eva ripuhu Atmanaha. Atmanaha ripuhu. Atmanaha Shashti Vibhakti. Ripuhu Prathama Ripuhu is enemy. You are yourself your own enemy, and you yourself are your own friend. That is this one. So you आप अपने आप को ऊपर उठाइए. You try to help yourself lift up. Don't try to push you down. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, astu tarhi samapayamah.
Mahoday, this Vairina, can you tell me the grammar of that?
Which one?
Vairina. In some sloka it is coming. I am not able to get the sloka, but
no,
Vairina.
Vairi is enemy.
Enemy.
Okay.
The grammar.
Vairinam. Vairi ikaranta pullingi shabda like Hari. Harinam. So Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah, I have read that in some shloka, Vairinam. Vairi is basically enemy. Again, Ikaranta Pullingi Shabda.
Okay.
अस्तु तर्हि आगामी सप्ताहे वयं मिलामः.
One doubt, but not related to this course. Can I ask?
Tell me, ask.
This our Mool Mantra, the Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. This is coming from Sambodhan, right? All are Sambodhan, right? Actually, it should be Hey Hare, Hey Krishna. Hello.
Yeah.
This Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, this Mool Mantra. Hare is from Sambodhan.
Sambodhan, yes.
Okay. And then this Lakshmi Mantra, Mahalakshmi Mantra, Sarva Diksha Hare Devi. That Hare is coming from Hri Dhatu.
No, I have not come across this shloka. you can type and or you take a picture of that, send me by WhatsApp. I will try to find out what is the meaning. Okay. I mean, I am not the ocean of knowledge. Yeah? I also have my limitations. So,
sir, it is Sarva Papa Hare Devi, it is coming. That Hare, I don't think it is Sambodhan. Sarva Papa Hare means you destroy the Sarva Papam. I think that is what he is referring to.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, that is from Hri Dhatu, I think, right?
Yeah, Sarva Papa Hare Devi Narayani Namosudha. Is it the one you are referring to?
Yes, that Hare.
That Hare is not Sambodhan. That should be, I think you are destroying the Sarva Papa Hare Devi.
No, wait. I understood. Okay, what is the word? Sarva Papa Hare Devi, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now there is a compound word. Sarva Papa Hara. Okay. Sarva Papa Hara is the combined. First of all, Sarva and Papa will become Sarva Papa. Then Sarva Papam Harati is Sarva Papa Hara. I mean, first of all, if it is a Pullingi Shabda, then Sarva Papa Haraha. Okay. One who takes away all your sins. I mean, removes sins from you. So Sarva Papa Haraha. And then put Strilingi this one, it will become Sarva Papa Hara. And then some like Mala, it becomes Sambodhan will become Male. So Sarva Papa Hare and Devi. Okay. There also Devi will be Raswa E because it is Sambodhan. He Sarva Papa Hare Devi.
Oh, that way.
Don't break the words Sarva Papa and Hare. Three different words. No. It is one compound word Sarva Papa Hare. It is a Sambodhan or Sambodhan Vibhakti of Sarva Papa Hara.
Okay.
Similarly, in some you will get Varade Kama Rupini. So that Varade is a Sambodhan Vibhakti of Varada. Okay, and that Hare is not one word. It is a end of one compound, a long compound word, Sarva Papa Hara, and the Sambodhan will be like Rama Rame Ramaha, and Sambodhan will be He Rame He Ramaha. So like that, Sarva Papa Hare, He Sarva Papa Hare, He Sarva Papa Hare, He Sarva Papa Haraha. Now I understood what is the meaning. I mean, what was the question? And when you say Hare Rama, Hare, this one, that is Sambodhan Vibhakti of Hari, not Hara.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Yeah. Good. I mean, I also didn't know this shloka, but when you started saying that, I could figure out. I mean, you can ask me anything. If I am able to make out with my own knowledge or with my own tools at my disposal, I will be able to tell. Otherwise, I'll say I don't know. I'll find out and come back to you.
Yes, sir. I think you are our guru. That will be enough.
Pardon?
You are our guru, so that will be enough. Whatever you know.
No. I should not. I mean, that is what we learned just now, na buddhi vedam janayet. I should not make anything wrong. This one. I mean, if I know, yes, I'll say yes, I know. And if I'm able to make out something, construe something, yes. But if I don't know,
actually, I have one more part. What you asked.
Ask.
This now Hara is the Shiva, right? Gauri Hara. Gauri Haraya. That Hara is what? That Hara is Namapad, right?
No. That I will tell you how that word is formed. Gaurim Harati. You know Dhatu? Ru Dhatu?
Yes.
Okay, Harati.
No, but not Hara, Shiva. other name of Shiva is Hara, right?
Correct. No.
That Hara is coming.
That Haraha, okay. Hari and Haraha. So Haraha means Shiva. But how that word has come, I don't know.
Okay, sir.
But it is a...
Sir, one doubt is there.
हाँ, पूछिए मैडम.
सर, इन रुद्रम में एक पहली लाइन में आता है ओम गणा नाम त्वा गणपति गुम हवा महे. तो वो हवा महे का मतलब क्या है? गणा नाम मतलब हम जो गणों के स्वामी हैं. गणा नाम गणपति. गुम और हवा महे, ये गुम का मतलब कुछ होता है या ये सिर्फ ऐसे ही होता है?
गणा नाम त्वाम गणपतिम
गणपति गुम हवा महे.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. देखते हैं क्या है. ओके, अभी आपको एक और दिखाते हैं. लेट मी शेयर द स्क्रीन. ओके, एक और वेबसाइट है. ओके, essay.wikisource. दिख रहा है आपको? हरिओम, दृश्यते वा?
Yes.
So here you type.
Yes sir.
Oh sorry, ऊपर में एक ये है अन्विष्यताम करके, यहाँ पे आपको टाइप करना है. गणानां त्वां गणपतिं हवामहे. गणानां त्वां गणपतिं. इसमें गुम नहीं है भगिनी. सी आपको बड़ा करके दिखाते. गणानां त्वा गणपतिम हवामहे कविम कवीनाम उप. ये जो है आई विल मेक इट, देयर इज नो गुम देयर.
But sometimes in shloka it comes in between this signs, sir, and then we have to pronounce it gum.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं मालूम, मैंने तो नहीं पढ़ा है ना. यहाँ पे जो लिखा है गणानाम त्वा
और हवा महे.
हवा महे, ये जयपुर का है ना हवा महल, उसका है कोई? ये नहीं है,
मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं, हवा महे इज, वो भी दिखाते हैं आपको. ओके, ओपन दिस वन. हु धातु, ओके. इसमें तो नहीं है, कहाँ पे है मालूम नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा. हाँ, मैं ढूंढ के आपको बताऊंगा. ठीक है.
थैंक यू सर.
हवन करते हैं, ऐसा मतलब हम हवन करते हैं, जैसे
हवन करते हैं. हवा महे सर, तो वंदा वहे वंदा महे इस टाइप से कुछ वंदे वंदा उसमें कुछ
है, लेकिन आत्मनेपदी धातु है. जैसे वंदे वंदा वहे वंदा महे, वैसे ही हवे हवा महे हवा वहे हवा महे. लेकिन कौन सा धातु है क्या, मैं आपको ढूंढ के बताऊंगा. ठीक है. लेकिन ये जो आपने बोला गणानां त्वा गणपति, तो गणपति और हवा महे के बीच में कुछ नहीं है.
माइट भी सर, क्योंकि वो हम लोगों का जो है ना वो जो मिशन है उसमें है, तो वो सबका अपना अपना होगा फिर।
नहीं,
जो हमारी बुक है जो
किसी मतलब ये संस्कृत भारती का नहीं है, ये तो कहाँ ऋग्वेद का है। ऋग्वेद सूक्त नंबर 2.23। ये मेरा नहीं है, ये संस्कृत भारती का नहीं है। आपके पास जो है ना वो मुझे टाइप करके या फोटो निकाल के।
सर ऐसा मैंने उसमें भी पढ़ा
Sir,
है
I
जो
just
शांति
sent
मंत्र
in the
है।
group, sir.
हाँ
Sir,
हाँ
I just in a Mantra Pushpam page. I have a Mantra
सर शांति
Pushpam book.
मंत्र में भी सर्वगुम
It's
शांति।
also there.
नहीं, आप मुझे फोटो निकाल के भेज दीजिए, मैं देखूंगा, खोज करूंगा उसकी कहाँ पे मिलता है।
हाँ हाँ
ओके।
हाँ, सर्वगुम शांति
Sir,
भी
I
आता है
just
सर,
sent
सर्वे
it,
भवन।
sir.
Pardon?
Yeah, in WhatsApp group, I just sent the page Mantra Pushpam from the Mantra Pushpam book. Gananam Tvam Ganapatikum Bhavamahe. Havamahe. Sorry.
Okay, let me see.
It's there. It's there.
Oh, Ganapatim Havamahe. I don't know. Okay, I'll find out. ओके, यहाँ पे भी देखते हैं, जैसे अब देखा गणपति गम। नहीं मिलता है तो मिल जाएगा। गणपति गम।
So even in the third line it comes Rutagam. Maybe it is in the Vedas, it is like this. Even the third line, fourth line.
I am not aware. Okay, I mean,
Rutagam Satyam Param.
sharing my ignorance with you. I may not be knowing everything. अरे बाबा, they are still saying गणपति गम हवामहे। नहीं, एटलीस्ट इस वेबसाइट में तो नहीं है ना। अब आपने जो ये व्हाट पेज यू हैव सेंट, यस यस, दिस इज ए appears to be some Vedic prayer. I am not aware of this, and what is the meaning of this? गणपति गम हवामहे। I don't know. Okay. ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणाम। Let us see ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणाम। Just wait. Here also I got only same thing. Jeshtarajam Brahma. There is no G here. I don't know. Okay. This page I will share. And there is no G as per this website. There is no G after Ganapati. So Gananam Tva Ganapatim Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahma. Everything matches except that G. मुझे नहीं मालूम इसका क्या मतलब है या क्यों मिसिंग है, कौन सा सही है कौन सा गलत है, विच इज ट्रू विच इज फॉल्स, आई एम नॉट अवेयर। ओके, So that's it. We'll call it a day. Om सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।